Today we are going to discuss about geothermal power. So geothermal energy, that is a renewable source of energy. From that we can able to generate electricity. So these are the outlines: introduction, geothermal, reservoirs, extraction and the uses of geothermal energy, electricity generation, what is the cost, geothermal energy in India, what are the pros and cons, then conclusion. So what is this geothermal energy? It is simply a heat energy of the earth generated by various natural processes such as heat from when the plant formed and accreted which has not been lost, decay of radioactivity elements, then due to friction. So deeper you go, hotter it is. So geothermal reservoirs. So these are some of the suspected area where we find reservoirs, that is geyser, boiling mud pot, volcano and hot spring. So mud pot you can see, volcano. So geothermal reservoirs, that is the rising hot water and steam that is trapped in permeable and porous rocks to form a geothermal reservoirs. So reservoirs can be discovered by testing the soil or by analyzing underground temperature. So extraction and uses. So heat energy that can be brought to the earth's surface by the following ways. That is directly from hot spring or geyser or geothermal heat pumps. So we can brought the heat energy to the earth's surface. So uses are broadly classified as direct use and indirect use. So direct use, that is hot springs used as spas, heating water at fish farms, provide heat for buildings, raising plants in greenhouses, drying crops, provides heat to industrial processes. So indirect use of geothermal, that is electricity generation. So there are three types of power plants: dry steam power plant, flash steam power plant, binary cycle power plant. So dry steam power plant, so here the heat will be sent to the turbine, right? So here we are getting the generated electricity. So the cooled air again it will be sent back. So though it is the oldest type of geothermal power plant, so contain pure steam is required for this reservoir. So pure dry stream drive turbine is required. A very rare type of geothermal power plant it is. It is operating or found in California, Italy and Japan. Then flash steam power plant. Again the steam that will be sent to the turbine. So again energy is generated here. It flashes the steam here. So commonly used geothermal power plant. So geothermal reservoirs containing both hot water and steam is required. Pressure changing system is required. Then it is operating at Hawaii, Nevada, Utah and some other place. So binary cycle power plant. So here we'll be having heat exchanger. Then isopentane vapor. From the isopentane vapor it will be sent to a turbine so that energy is generated. So does not use steam directly to spin the turbines here. The heat of the underground water is used. Vaporized hydrocarbons are used to spin the turbine, and these hydrocarbons having lower boiling points such as isophytane, isobutane, propane can be used. No harmful gases is emitted to the atmosphere. So worldwide acceptable power plant. So turbine and generator. So steam outlet, turbine blades. So this is coiled wire cylinder to produce the electricity. Then coming to the cost, direct use of geothermal energy is absolutely cheaper than other energy sources. The cost of electricity generation depend upon certain factors, that is temperature and depth of resources, type of resources, it may be steam, liquid or mix, available volume of resource, size and technology of plant. Then initial investment is very high, but after certain time period the cost of electricity becomes comparable to other resources of energy. Rupees 2.772 to rupees 4.4352 per kilowatt hour. Then once capital cost is recovered, the price can decrease to below rupees 2.2772 per kilowatt hour. So geothermal energy in India. So the green color indicates geothermal energy in India. So geothermal provinces are estimated to produce 10,600 megawatt of power. So geothermal provinces in India, that is in Himalayas, then Sohana, West Coast, Kombe, Sun, Narmada, Tapi, then Godavari and Mahanadi. Reykjavik Geothermal will assist Thermax to set up a pilot project in Puja Valley, Ladakh, that is in Jammu Kashmir. First operational commercial geothermal power plant is likely to come up in Andhra Pradesh with a capacity of 25 megawatt by Geo Syndicate Private Limited. So advantages of this geothermal energy, that is available all the years, does not involve any combustion of fuel, then independent of weather, clean resource, then economically sound alternative, that is fuel is free, rate or kilowatt likely to be a competitive, then overall geothermal is sustainable resources. Disadvantages, as we are having advantages there will be a disadvantage: not widespread source of energy, high installation cost, can run out of steam, may release harmful gases, transportation, then earthquake. Transportation is very difficult, then earthquake, due to earthquake there may be a problem. So geothermal heating system can replace fossil fuel heating, right? Then annual cost for common heating purpose can be reduced by more than 60%. Continued energy storage have created added interest in geothermal energy. Then potential exists to provide all energy requirements in the US. Geothermal energy appears to be a partial solution to our energy needs.